Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to fix this issue. Let me show you the error. When I want to install my Windows 11 or 10 on my computer, so this issue is occurring. We could not find any drives. To get the storage driver, click on load drivers. The reason behind this error, the SSD or the hard drive is not showing up here, that the Intel Rapid Technology driver is not loaded on our Windows. Since the Radeon is configured with the VMD drivers, that is the reason it is throwing this error. So how we can fix this issue easily, I will show you step by step. So previously I made a video on it and those videos are able to fix the issue, but this is the updated fix. So let's begin. Now step number, we are going to fix this issue with the help of, we are disabling the Radeon on my system. Simply you need to load your computer to the BIOS options. You need to close this, then click on yes and cancel this and immediately press the BIOS key on your computer. In my Dell laptop or system, the BIOS key will be F2 key, and in HP it could be F10 or escape key. Simply turn this off and immediately press the F2 key like this. And make sure you should have the knowledge of what is the BIOS key on your computer. Simply search on the internet and then you should be able to find the exact bootable or the BIOS key on your computer. It is very easy. Now you need to go to storage here simply, and once you go to storage, as you can see, Radeon is supported with the VMD drivers. It is written here as well. The drivers or Linux kernel VMD driver must be loaded in order to boot the OS. It is clearly written here that VMD driver are must. Anyhow, you need to look for storage. Select your AHCI option here, then click on yes, and once you click on yes option here, you can enable that option here, this option. Now click on apply changes, save the changes, then click on exit. So there will be no issues when you switch to AHCI on your system. And this time issue should be fixed here. As you can see here, all the drivers are showing up here, and even my primary SSD is showing up here. You can see its size here, so you can delete all the partitions here one by one and then you can proceed with the next step. But if the issue is not fixed with this step, what we can do is we can simply go to the manufacturer drivers website or the Intel Rapid Technology website to install the VMD drivers from there. In order to install the VMD drivers and Intel Rapid Technology driver on your computer, you need to have another working computer, or if the same operating system in this laptop you have, just cross this out. And also, before you install the VMD drivers, just choose the previous option which you have changed, that this option, then click on yes, and Radeon should be selected if you are installing the VMD drivers, and everything is good. Now just apply the changes, tick this box. If it isn't tick, then click on OK and then exit and proceed with the installation of VMD drivers and let it boot from that operating system. Remove your USB, but if you don't have that working PC, you need to arrange the working PC in order to install the drivers from your computer. Now insert your USB, bootable USB, since we are going to load the drivers into the USB. Now open your system information. Simply you can right click there, go to task manager, performance, look for your CPU, and you can see 12th generation Intel. I'm using 12th generation of the Intel CPU. So basically you need to type here download Intel Rapid Technology driver. Simply first link you need to open. Now this link, this is for 10th and 11th generation. So you need to click on this AXE, but I need to look for another one which is the higher one. This is 11th. Even you can search here with the 12th generation. And now this is for 10th and 13th generation. I need to install this exe, this one. Accept terms and conditions. So basically you need to make this exe to folder so that we can install it from the USB. So this is the path you need to copy here. So this is the exact path. You need to click on download option here, the download path, right click on it and click on copy as path, and now simply paste it here. And once you make copy as a path here, open the PowerShell as admin, and simply from this front you need to type simply cd and then copy this path simply. Basically we are going into this directory here. Now we are inside this download folder. We need to call this exe and make this to extracted. Simply paste this command here. I will give this command into my description box also, and you can see also on the screen, and paste it here, and you will see this type of pop-up. Its work is completed now, and you can see you can simply rename it to VMD. You can rename it to Rapid Technology. Okay, and simply you need to copy this into your bootable pen drive in a separate folder here. This is a separate folder. Now I will show you how you need to navigate through the VMD drivers here. This will be the path here, and you can see next, and same issue occurs. Now what you need to do is you need to click on the option load drivers, click on browse, then choose your USB. This is my USB, its name is here. Then we created the Rapid Technology drivers folder here. Expand that, production, Windows 10, this 15063 drivers, and now select VMD here. Then click on OK and select the first option here, and then click on next. Now it will install the VMD drivers onto your computer, and issue will be fixed instantly. As you can see, the issue has been fixed. But if that is not working, the first one, you can choose the secondary one as well on your computer. This one, and then click on next. and you can then proceed with the deletion all the partitions and then click on next, and your issue will be fixed. Now if this is also not working on your computer and somehow it is failed, then we can proceed with the step number 3. Now in the step number 3, we are going to install according to our model number and serial number here. System model number, note that, open CMD, BIOS get serial number, press enter and you will get your serial number. Even if we can search for model number here. Open any browser whichever you use and the search type here Dell drivers if you are using the Dell laptop or system. If you are using HP laptop, type HP drivers. Now you have two options here. You can simply copy and paste the serial number from here and then click on search, or you can go with the model number. Search it, look for find drivers. On the search type a rapid Intel technology driver here. Intel rapid look for your device, then select this option and simply download it. Similarly with the other manufacturer, inside the storage driver you should be able to get your Intel rapid technology driver here inside the storage drivers. I have downloaded this according to my system model number. Open simply this exe into 7-zip. Install the 7-zip simply on your computer. Right click, show more options, extract with 7-zip all, and simply copy and paste full folder into your USB. This one, paste it here. Now it is pasted here, its name is here. We are going to use it in a next step. Again go to load drivers, browse, choose this time this one we created, just drivers, then drivers, VMD. Open the VMD here, select the first option, then click on next. And again the issue should be fixed, as you can see. So I have shown you 3 steps to fix this issue, the genuine and working steps, and I'm pretty sure if you have followed this guide carefully, your issue should be fixed. So this is the video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then do not forget to like this video, comment if any concerns you have, and also share with anyone who needs it.